Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Yoonchae's denim outfit. I try to say jeans and denim at the same time. On Dress to Impress, super simple. You do need VIP though. Let's get started with the video. For the hair, I simply just use this one in the color brown, like this one. If you want to make it a little bit darker, you can. And then for the top, we are going to use this one over here in type 2 in this color 616E83 and all denim material as well. Like so. Then for the jeans, I'm just going to use these ones in no flower. You can leave the material the same here. It's just you need to kind of adjust the colors a little bit more so it matches the top. Maybe like something like this. There we go. For the shoes, I'm just going to use these in the leather material in black. Then for the top, you can either go with the collared one or just the basic shirt here, the same color in cropped in denim. But it's totally up to you. I couldn't find the same top obviously, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.